cast. Really small bass. Bring them up. Small. Choked it. Alright, we'll get a release. Super small, so it's like, alright, I'll catch you back when I catch another one. Okay, we're gonna get him. Completely smothered it. There he goes. Right. Subtle pond fishing, boys. Right there, just yank, yank. Got one hooked up. Other one in. Another one. Release.
Boys, it's been about 2 hours since we last filmed, and no bass. Well, we decided to start doing a catch and cook, and there is 2 sunfish in there. We're trying to catch a crappie, and I think I'm gonna throw on a frog. Let's go frog in some of these. I'm gonna throw that frog, and first one of the day. Took it a while. You gotta show the camera.
It's a 4-pounder.
Boys, we did it. A fish is here. Well, we made fish nuggets, and they smell pretty good. You want to try some?
You go first.
That's so good. It's actually really good.
The brown is just right. It's so good.
Boys, update. I'm throwing a frog again. We're done eating. Honestly, the bass was kind of bad, but it's fine. Guys, we gave up. We are officially carp fishing.
The carpies?
I think we did film an intro, or no, an outro already. I might not use that though. That was kind of stupid.
You got it. You got it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start watching some YouTube, bro.
Like honestly, like wow. Honestly, why don't we just like tuck some bobbers out? Because the froggies aren't working. Ribbit, ribbit. Dude, we should go try to find live frogs. So come on.
Why?
Because we might catch a fish.
No.
Why not?
No.